back to Ravenna Rail Fan 4070. Today I'm making this video to share with you some new updates from Midwest Railway Preservation Society. As you can see here in the yard, here's 123 with our coaches X nickel plate 62 and 90. 62 and 90 are getting ready to head down to Steam in the Valley 2019 to be on the train with 765 for the next 2 weekends, after which they will not be coming home. They will be going to the LM&M Railroad down in Cincinnati, and they will not be home till January. But that's where they'll be heading after Steam in the Valley. During Steam in the Valley, if you would like to come down and see the train and meet me, I will be working the 22nd afternoon run. I'll be doing the 27th, which is the Friday night run, and I'll be doing the 28th all day, if you would like to come down and meet me on the train. As some of you know, Midwest was awarded the John H. Emery Grant, which helps provide money for restoring old passenger cars. And so 90 here is given a full restoration and a full paint job, so it matches the 62 now. Yes, it does look like there's a patch of paint missing in this picture, but that's just the angle of the sunlight. So 90 just came out of the shop the other day, and she and 62 will be heading down today to go to Steam in the Valley, which starts this weekend. Next, Midwest was graciously given this coach, the New York Central Business Car America, through a donation from a former Los Angeles Rams owner, and the car came all the way from California, already has Amtrak certifications, and it is in pretty good shape. So this car will be going right back out into Amtrak's private car system, and Midwest can make money from it that way. As of Saturday, September 14th, the car did finally arrive in Midwest after a 25-day stay in Chicago, which is where this picture was taken. But as you can see, the car is now at Midwest. This was provided by Midwest. I have not seen the car yet, but I will post a video with some pictures of it when I get to see it for the first time. And on October 19th, there's going to be a special open house where you can come. It's like our other open houses. Get a tour of the grounds, see 4070, 2100, all that, and then get the chance to ride the America. Also, next week, Saturday the 21st, there is an open house for the American Steam Railroad, at which Ross Rowland, who is the man behind the American Freedom Train and the Reading Ramblers, will be at the Roundhouse in person to talk about his involvement with 2100. You can get tickets through American Steam's website. Hurry, I don't think there's many left. So that's all the updates for now. But, yeah, 90, 62 are going to Steam in the Valley. America is finally here, so you'll have the chance to ride on her in the near future. American Steam Open House is this Saturday, and if you'd like to meet me at Steam in the Valley, again, I will be doing the afternoon run on the 22nd. I will be doing 27th, the Friday night run, and the 28th all day. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you when more updates come.